This is a very good question. What we've learned in the past years from our partners is that it is very, very difficult to drive change without the involvement of the society. It's a fact that we cannot get the public involved or engaged without convincing, and we can't convince anyone if we are not able to inform and communicate properly. Now, let me develop the idea with an example. Whenever we read articles or hear any projections related to the environment, we often see these statements supported by insights derived from scientific studies or research papers. What is behind these studies? Let's consider climate change as an example, which is nowadays a highly debated topic. The moment we would like to take a look into the future, we are talking about very advanced, mostly probabilistic models that simulate a variety of scenarios based on petabytes of data and thousands of variables. The question is, how many readers actually dig into the references in the articles and can grasp the link between the data and the projections made? Not so many, right? So first, I believe that we have to inform the public in a more adequate, or I will call it, non-scientific manner. Second, we have to make the link between the data and the decisions more transparent. How can we achieve this? I truly believe in the unconditional transparency. What if we provide easy-to-use applications to the public and let everyone get engaged, play with the scenarios to experience the impacts on a local or on a global scale? By making the technology accessible and understandable, by making the impacts more visible and relevant with facts, I am convinced that we can guide informed decisions and drive positive changes.